subtract? Subtract. Okay, today we're doing subtraction. Yesterday we did what? Addition. Subtraction is nothing but going from one group to the next. You just yes.
We just have to get like a big number and a little number and put it together into a big number.
No, that's not subtraction. Subtraction is
that's division.
Regrouping. You're regrouping, like if I have a number like this. If I have a number 38 minus
We have to
wait, 41. How will we regroup that number? Raise your hand. How will we regroup that number? Damari, he raised his hand. How we work this problem? No. When we subtracting, we always subtract from the what? Right. You always subtract from the right and then go to the what?
Left.
Okay, so how will we work that? Maria? 8 minus 1. So you know what I should have did? I should have wrote it. Let me write it over. 41 and 38. That's how I should have wrote that. Okay, so how will we take the raise your hand. How can we take 8 from 1 can we take 1 from 8?
No.
You said yes. She's saying yes. Maria, how we do? What we need to do?
We borrow one from the tens.
We borrow from the tens, right? But this the 1, this the 10. So we borrow from the what? What number? 4.
Take
That number
a
becomes a what?
3.
3. And this becomes a what?
10.
11.
Yeah, 11.
Now can we say 11 minus 8?
Yes.
And what would be the number?
3.
3. Good. And that's how we regroup. Okay?
3 and
You
3.
regroup when you're borrowing from the next person. I always say borrow from your neighbor and then bring it back to them. Borrow, like you borrowing sugar. Borrow, go ahead and borrow the sugar, but please bring it back. Y'all understand that one?
Yes.
You just borrow a little bit of sugar, or you say, let me borrow some eggs from you. Let me borrow 2 eggs. But make sure you bring the cotton what? Back. So that's all you're doing is borrowing, okay? That's how you do subtraction. Okay. So let's look at the video first. You gotta go 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
When it gets to 10, let me know.
It's only got like 2 minutes. Did all of that in 2 minutes, Miss Joyce.
So we're gonna look at this first, and then we're gonna go from there.
Peggy wants to buy one item that costs $425 and another item that costs $210. If she gets the discount shown on the sign, what is the sale price? Explain how you can use mental math to find your answer.
Okay, so we paying one to buy one item costs $425. Then, and another item costs $210. If she get the discount showing on the sign, what is the sale price? So the discount is, what's the discount? $170 off. So how do we work that problem? How we work that problem? We'll say,
How do y'all get these numbers? I can't see nothing.
first we gotta what? First we gotta do what? Add.
Add.
So what we add?
200,
425
225.
plus what?
210.
210. So let's add that. What's 5 plus 0? 5. What's 2 plus 1? 3. And what's 4 plus 2? So that's how much? 635. So now, 635, we trying to get the discount. Now, this is how you'll know that, because you're going to have to know how to do rounding. So let's say, I'm going to do a number line, okay? We have 200 here. We got 150 here. And we got 100. Now we're doing a number line. what would be the closest to 200? I mean, what would be the number rounding to the nearest
10.
the nearest 100? What would be
Oh,
the number?
100?
If you got 150 rounded to the nearest 100, what would be the number?
125?
Say it. 200. Remember, I'm gonna do the roller coaster. Here's the roller coaster.
Oh, I love that roller coaster.
Oh, I love roller coasters.
You got 100. You got 200. You got 150. You got 151. 152. You know, so forth, so forth. Then going down, we got what? 149, 148, and 147. You see how it goes?
Yes.
So when we saying we trying to round it to the nearest 100, what will be the number?
200.
200 because it's closer to what? It's closer to what?
200.
But if I say round it to the nearest 10, it will be going what? The opposite way, right?
200. I mean,
No, round it to the nearest.
150.
It'll go back down to the nearest what? 100.
100.
But now we're talking about what? 200. So now we're gonna minus 200 from.
Okay.
So somebody give me an answer.
435.
Huh?
435.
35.
435.
No, 600.
Let's round it.
430.
Don't. So 5, 3,
430.
So
400. Yeah, 430.
3, 435. Good.
Yeah,
good.
435.
But we still need that discount, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So now we're trying to take the 200 minus the what? How much it is?
70.
170. So we're going to subtract. So how we bar this? You know 0 and 0 is what? 0. So 0 minus 7. Can we say 0 minus 7?
No.
So who we borrow from our what?
900.
We borrow from our neighbor, and that becomes a what?
1.
1. Then we take it back to them, and that becomes a what? 10. So what's 10 minus 7? 3. Good. So that's 30. So how much discount did they get off?
130.
130 bucks.
30. So now we say 630. 635 plus 30. What's the answer? 5.
The boys
3
came.
and 3 is what? 6 and 6.
665.
665. Now we still ain't done because we still got to get the discount, right? So we're going to take away 665 minus 200 will be what? Who give me an answer?
465.
Good. 165. And that's how much that purse or whatever it costs. That's how much it costs. But basically, you just need to know how to subtract. So let's go to the next page. That was just a simple page. Go to the next page where it says subtract. All right. We're going to page 302. They give you examples. They gave you one way to subtract from 197 on an open number line. You can subtract 200 and then add 300. So let's do that. 352 minus 197. What that would give you? We borrow from our what?
Neighbor.
So when we borrow from our neighbor, this becomes a what? This 2 becomes a what?
10.
1.
Oh,
And then this
1.
becomes what?
15.
15 minus 7.
6, wait, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10,
8.
9,
Good.
8. Yeah, 8.
Now can we take 1 from 9?
No.
So we borrowing again from our neighbor, right?
Yes.
And we become a 2, and then we bring it back and it becomes a what? 1. So what's 11 minus 9?
1.
2.
2.
2, good. And 2 minus 1,
Equals 1.
1. So that's 128.